What is going on, everybody? This is Laser Beam. I haven't posted in a long time. It is so good to be back. Just want everybody to know I'm doing fine. I'm doing great. Lots of crazy cool things happening over here in Laser Beam World. We are gearing up for a very special weekend at the Ledges, Camp Las Vegas. It is July 27th, 2024. Brand new crew going up this weekend. It is a non-festival weekend. 4 of the 6 of us have never been to the Ledges before. So this is really exciting to bring 4 brand newbies up there on a non-festival weekend, kind of show them Camp Las Vegas and the Ledges and just kind of how everything works and why so many of us consider it to be this side of paradise. So once again, Camp Las Vegas, brand new crew going to the Ledges, 2 days in the woods. Let's go. Yes. Oh, we're back again. There we go. No, I was getting a shot of his hat because this is the proper way to wear a hat. Hat wear according to Gabe.
I mean, to be fair, I haven't been told that very often.
How do you make a whistle, by the way? Does it have to be a hole going?
You blow it.
I don't know the physics.
No, there's no...
Oh yeah, like everybody's falling for that, Nate.
Just to sell?
I got our burp.
Go ahead. What is that? Like, seriously? is there a chicken at the beach?
What?
What?
Exactly.
There's a chicken. So loud. What?
Chicken butt.
Chickens.
The real question is, why isn't there chicken at every beach?
She's farting.
Me.
Some of those beaches are just clearly deprived.
Nothing.
Fuck off.
That is really loud in my ear. I have the headache.
Well, good morning, y'all. It is the morning of day 2 at the Ledges with the new crew. Everybody had a great time yesterday. We took them on a tour during the day and a tour at night. Made some fantastic food at the campsite, and then we went down to the beach with a telescope, did some stargazing, and then we just kind of laid in the sand for a few hours actually and just relaxed. It was actually really sweet. Getting ready to get on some good breakfast eating, go swimming. We got some more people coming down to join us today, actually, a couple more newbies. So that should be fun and see what the day holds for us. So after chowing down on a delicious breakfast, we had potatoes and bacon, and sausage and egg sandwiches, and probably other shit I forget already. We're getting all dolled up, sunscreened and outfitted. And we're gonna head down the lake and do some swimming. And might talk myself into cliff jumping today, but probably not. Had to get my traditional fill up, my energy drink over at Impactful Energy from my good friend Jackie, and they make all natural energy drinks. None of all the stuff that they're putting in the energy drinks you buy from the gas station, all that stuff that's real bad for you. So I highly encourage y'all to get over to Impactful Energy, get yourself a all natural energy drink, and get that fill up. Oh no! I got the clap. So it is the end of day 2. Ran around all day. We swam, we cooked, we got some disco pizza, we cliff jumped, we did everything we could possibly cram into a day, and now it's nighttime, the end of day 2. We had a fantastic weekend, getting ready for one last night hanging out here at Camp Las Vegas. And yeah, last night, let's go. Yo, it's the morning of day 3 after a long night. We chilled in the hammocks for a bit. Most of us fell asleep in the hammocks and woke up later on. And I woke up about 4 o'clock with the campsite being raided by an army of raccoons. So after chasing them off, we migrated to the tents, went to sleep, and now we are working on tearing everything down, experiencing the always regrettable post-Ledges depression setting in already. getting ready to head on out of here and head back to the real world. It was an amazing weekend. Everybody who was here who was a newbie is completely addicted now, which we always count on. And we just had an awesome time, but we are tearing down, so we'll check back in a little bit when we're getting ready to head out of here. But it was an awesome weekend.
There once was a ship that put to sea. The name of the ship was a Billy of Tea. The winds blew up her bow, up down, oh below my bully boys blow. Soon may the Wellerman come to bring us sugar and tea and rum. One day when the tonguing is done, we'll take our leave and go. She'd not been 2 weeks from shore when down on her a right whale bore. The captain called all hands and swore he'd take that whale in tow. Soon may the Wellerman come to bring us sugar and tea and rum. One day when the tonguing is done, we'll take our leave and go. Da 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 da.
Well, that's a wrap on Non-Fest weekend at the Ledges with brand new crew. Everybody had an awesome time, but we are exhausted. We are packed up, and we're gonna grab an Althea's breakfast real quick and then hit the road.
Soon may the Wellerman come to bring us sugar and tea and rum.
Yeah, we're back. Time for another weekend.
Soon may the Wellerman come to bring us sugar and tea and rum. One day when the tonguing is done, we'll take our leave and go. Da 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 da. For 40 days or even more, the lane went slack, then tight once more. All boats were lost, there were only 4, but still that whale did go. Soon may the Wellerman come to bring us sugar and tea and rum. One day when the tonguing is done, we'll take our leave and go. As far as I've heard, the fight's still on. The line's not cut and the whale's not gone. The Wellerman makes his regular call to encourage the captain, crew and all. Soon may the Wellerman come to bring us sugar and tea and rum. One day when the tonguing is done, we'll take our leave and go. Soon may the Wellerman come to bring us sugar and tea and rum. One day when the tonguing is done, we'll take our leave and go.
I thought I heard the old man say, leave her, Johnny, leave her. Tomorrow ye will get your pay, and it's time for us to leave her. Leave her, Johnny, leave her. Oh, leave her, Johnny, leave her. For the voyage is long and the winds don't blow, and it's time for us to leave her. Oh, the wind was foul and the sea ran high. Leave her, Johnny, leave her. She shipped it green and none went by, and it's time for us to leave her.
Well, what's up, y'all? We are on our way out. And we grabbed one last Althea's breakfast and some coffee. Had a nice meal before we headed out. And let's just say it was an amazing weekend. Non-festival weekend with a bunch of newbies at our campsite. Camp Las Vegas, which acquired the nickname Camp Dingleberry over the weekend. So, hey, whatever. And it was just an awesome time. We all can't wait to come back. The plan is still to do Summer Dance this year, so we'll see what happens with that, as long as scheduling lines up and all that. It was just an amazing time. As always, thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Always putting up new videos. It's been a while since I posted, but we're going to start doing more. Some pretty major news coming up in Laserbeam world here very soon as well, so make sure you stay posted, keep updated, and y'all stay safe out there. Party hard, party safe, and we'll see you next time. Peace.